The first part of today's session is about making time-based media accessible. I use the term time-based media deliberately because it is the term used in the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which AODA refers to. Think in terms of any media content that has a duration or interactive components. Examples include a podcast of a recorded interview, a how-to demo or simulation, a training video, or a recording of a presentation. We will talk about text alternatives for media as they apply to audio and video only content, as well as synchronized or multimedia, which is audio or video synchronized with other media. We will also look at settings to improve accessibility in live presentations when web conferencing with Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Robin will wrap things up discussing other considerations and universal design for learning. A word about the demonstrations covered later in the session. We will look at how to use transcripts and captions in the different tools we have available in Fanch Online. We want to cover a variety because we know that you may use different ones for your course. We'll cover Video Notes or Media Player, which is built into Fanch Online, Kaltura, and H5P. If you have questions about a tool not covered in the demonstration, please add it to the chat or wait until the end of the presentation or reach out directly to Robin or I. Text alternatives are key to making audio and video media content accessible to all. Text alternatives is an umbrella term for the written text that is the equivalent of audio or video. There are 4 categories of text alternatives when working with media. Transcripts are plain text versions of audio available in a separate document that is linked to or available in surrounding text. Captions are text versions of audio that include timings and are generally synchronized with the media. Subtitles translate audio into another language and are synchronized with media. Users watching the live or recorded presentation can choose the language. Audio descriptions describe the visual elements in the media. Transcripts, captions, and subtitles use the same text, so starting with a script is an easy way to create text alternatives. If you do start with a script, work visual descriptions into it so the recording or live presentation doesn't require an audio description. Who do text alternatives help and how? Text is an ideal format to use when supporting a diverse group of individuals with different learning needs, styles, or disabilities. Why? Because it's a format that can be manipulated. For example, we can resize it, change the font, change the color, or translate it to different languages. It can be consumed by assistive technology such as text-to-speech, screen readers, and braille displays. So this helps people who are blind or deafblind, people with learning disabilities, or those who speak different languages. It is essential for people who are deaf or hard of hearing and beneficial in situations where sound is not available or for people with poor internet connectivity or high data rates. For Audio-only recordings, a transcript containing the equivalent audio information must be available. The transcript should include any relevant audio information along with the dialogue, such as applause, laughter, pauses, and identify speakers if multiple speakers are present. The transcript can be in a separate document that is linked to on the same page as the audio in surrounding text, or integrated or synchronized with the audio. A couple of tips: speak clearly and slowly with pauses between topics, and use clear language and avoid or explain acronyms.